Okay, all you fine Facebook friends and family. Wow, what a year we've all had. And what do you do when you are frustrated and we have so much loss of friends and loss of family? And it's just been really a tough year for everybody. So I am keeping myself distracted and busy. So I painted my house on the outside all by myself. And now I'm going to put new backsplash up in the kitchen in our little bungalow in Borrego. And then I'm going to do some granite faux countertops all by myself. So I've been looking at all the Google, YouTube channels to, try to figure out how to do it. So, what's the worst that can happen? If it doesn't work out, then I rip it out and do something else. So I'm going for it. So I'm going to show you some pictures of before. So these were built in the 50s. These trailers are manufactured housing. So it has yellow formica, and I was doing yellow formica with country French, which is yellow, black, and red. So, I have a lot of that around, as you can see. I've got the red and the country French, and then I've got the yellow counter. She painted her switch plate red, so that's kind of funny. But I got all my roosters and things for country French. But I am going to put some backsplash up today, and I'm going to put some new countertop down, and I'm going to hopefully be able to share it with all of you guys if it turns out. And if it doesn't, I'll probably share it too, okay? So, but I'm going to go for it. So, here we go. We'll see you guys in a bit.